Hello, I'm Chuck Barbera. As a new associate at a Sonic Automotive affiliated dealership, we want to welcome you to the team and explain the many health insurance and retirement benefits that the company offers. Today, Sonic Automotive's Associate Benefits Program rank among the best in the retail automotive industry. We strive to offer valuable benefits to help you manage health and insurance costs and to plan for your future retirement. Sonic Automotive has launched a number of new initiatives that underscore the company's commitment to promoting good health and well-being for you and your family members. During this course, you will learn about many of our benefit programs and special resources that promote healthy living and wellness that also offer support for chronic conditions and give you access to valuable health information.
Sonic Associates can enroll in affordable legal services through Met Law, a legal service plan administered by Hyatt Legal Plans. The coverage gives you access to legal services at affordable rates through a national network of more than 9,000 attorneys. Welcome to the Incident Command System, or ICS overview. This lesson introduces you to the background and development of ICS. ICS as the standard for emergency management across the country. ICS as interdisciplinary and organizationally flexible. Applications of ICS. Welcome to Fallon Ambulance. Today we'll be discussing the essentials of 12-lead ECG interpretation. I'm your host, Chuck Barbera. Our first image shows the anatomy revisited. The right coronary artery, RCA, is responsible for providing blood flow to the right ventricle and to the inferior wall of the left ventricle. Also, it constitutes for the majority of blood flow to the posterior wall of the left ventricle, approximately 75%. The RCA provides blood flow to the following regions as well. The sinoatrial SA node receives approximately 60%, while the atrioventricular AV node receives over 80%.
A consumer may be able to choose among several service dealers or authorized repair centers when seeking repairs on a vehicle covered by a service contract. Most service contracts come with a free look period. This provides consumers with a refund if they change their mind within a certain amount of time. However, after the free look period, service contracts typically provide the consumer with the right to cancel at any time during the life of the contract.
The Chevrolet Suburban beats the Nissan Armada in all these ways.
Wake up! It's time to play!
On the EPA test cycle, the Suburban 4x4's 5.3-liter V8 automatic gets better fuel mileage than the Armada's V8 automatic. Attention all drivers, for optimal engine performance, there's no better choice than Mobil 1, the world's leading synthetic motor oil. Using the latest in technology, Kaizen offers sales tools and e-learning to the automotive retail industry, which are proven to increase sales and CSI. Kaizen, identify, improve, repeat. Refinancing your car or cars is something that many people have discovered is just as simple as refinancing your home. Imagine cutting your company's training costs and training time to a fraction of what it is, and your employees actually doing what they learned. Lower costs, less time, higher retention. This is a special and private invitation to gain exclusivity in your market for possibly the most powerful internet marketing product created for the automotive industry. When you consider the facts as verified by Advantastar, the Trailblazer has standard OnStar, greater engine output, cheaper insurance, and has earned accolades from Strategic Vision. It is clear that the Trailblazer is the better choice. Depending on how you choose to finance your vehicle, the monthly payment for the Chevrolet Suburban is likely to be the same or less than what you would pay for the Nissan Armada.
Excuse me while I whip this out.
And now, broadcasting live from our studios in Los Angeles, California, it's the Jim Rome Show. Call us live at 1-888-JIM-ROME to be on the show. And taking a look at the WSFL traffic report, starting off in Dade County, we have moderate delays approaching State Road 836 and the Julia Tuttle Causeway caused by road construction. As an alternate, you might want to use US 1, 441, or North Miami Avenue. And we have an earlier accident just clearing up southbound I-95 and Ives Dairy Road. No real delays there as all three lanes are opening up and starting to run smoothly. In Broward County, on the 595 westbound approach to Pine Island Road, we have an accident on the left shoulder involving an overturned vehicle. Fire rescue is on the scene. State Road 84 or Griffin Road might be a better alternate for you to use today. Taking a look at the Florida Turnpike in Broward County, all seems clear and running smoothly with a 20-minute drive from Sample Road to the 595 approach. This traffic report has been brought to you by Our Town Ford, giving you the best prices on new Ford vehicles along with no haggle pricing. Our Town Ford. I'm Chuck Barbera, and that's the WSFL traffic and weather report for you on the 8s every hour. DJ Crash with you this afternoon. Hope you're having a good one. I tell you what, we're going to keep it rocking for you. Here we go. Got the Stone Temple Pilots, 93.1. Hey, 93.1, there's Motley Crue for you. And don't forget to catch Vince and the boys on tour. You know they're going to be here next week, right? Well, I tell you what, I might just have some tickets for you. So, stick around for that. Meantime, we're going to keep it rocking for you. Here's some Van Halen, 93.1.
Separated.
93.1 DJ Crash with you here this afternoon, keeping it rocking for you. Man, what's with all this rain? I think my mobile home's gonna float away or something. I don't know. Anyway, I hear that bell. That can only mean one thing. AC/DC, that is. Here we go, recorded live one time. 93.1, the home of South Florida rock. Classic dishwallow for you, counting blue cars. Hope you're not sitting in this rush hour traffic today, though, counting those blue cars. Well, if you are, here's something to make it better for you. Got some Guns N' Roses, and I tell you what, taking it to the jungle one time. Here it is, 93.1. I'm having fun. 93.1, Nickelback for you. How you remind me? I just reminded myself that it's time to go. Well, I'll be back tomorrow. In the meantime, y'all have a good one. Gonna bang out a rocker for you before I head out. Got some White Zombie. Feeling a little bit more human than human. What do you say? 93.1, the home of South Florida rock.